we started off, from a CRM or pipeline perspective, we were using more like spreadsheets first, and then some free CRM systems online, but none of them really fitted the bill. When we went looking for a CRM system, it was really as our team was growing, and we needed a really good way of sharing the information through everyone in the team, and also track the opportunities really well. We looked at a lot of CRM systems. Some of them were extremely expensive, and some of them just didn't fit the bill, but Prospect was right on the mark in terms of its quality, its quality, but also how it connected to Unleashed seamlessly. That works really, really well for our business.
Prospect CRM as a good CRM package that will integrate with their software. Now we were looking at other CRM software systems out there, which you probably know, probably 3 or 4 of them. We had tested them, but none of them actually quite fitted, and looking at Prospect CRM, because it was a good fit with Deer, it was a natural choice for us to make.
So before we had Prospect, we were using Insightly as our customer management software, which wasn't integrated with Unleashed. So when we were using that to manage our customers, although it was okay, it felt like we were double handling everything because they weren't integrated.
Prospect is uniquely designed for distributors and wholesalers like our business. I think it's a really good fit because it's set up specifically for our type of company. I'd say I would look at Salesforce as being like the leader in the cloud CRM systems, but they're extremely expensive for what they do. You know what I mean? We'd be paying 4, 5, 6, 7 times more per user for their CRM system, and that just doesn't work for us, for our business.
We looked at several CRMs along the way, but this one stood out as an absolute bonus to us because it's fitted in with our ERP system, our Unleashed, that we work hand in hand, and it made sense to use 2 packages that basically understood each other and joined together. As well as that, having the backup in the UK, quick answers to technical issues, made it very simple and a no-brainer for us to move with Prospect.
So Prospect CRM we chose originally because, to be honest, it was recommended to us by another retailer, and I had looked at others, but at the time Prospect Soft integrated with Pegasus. And then when we decided to completely upgrade our system and get rid of Pegasus, so I was essentially looking for an accounting software and a warehouse software, and I did also look around for CRM systems as well, other CRM systems, but I couldn't find a better CRM system that enabled us that monitors stock as well, and from another integrated system, and also enabled us to quickly put orders on the system.
We looked at a number of different CRMs, and the difference between Prospect CRM and the others was the integration with Unleashed. That was the winner for us completely. We tried to do some trials with a couple of other CRMs, which became ridiculously complex, and the day that I had the call with someone from Prospect CRM was amazing. I think within minutes we were set up, and all of a sudden I could see all of my data there, and it's wow, this is life-changing, and it has become life-changing for us.
If you actually get software which is purely built for CRM, you got a company who specialises in doing CRM software, so they're experts in it. And then if you get another software company who specialise in warehouse management systems, again, they're experts in it. They don't have to spend time learning about accounting and CRM and such like. They're concentrating on warehouse management. So you're going to get the best software you can for warehouse management. And again, with the account side of things, so, we use Xero. For small, medium-sized businesses, they offer the best accounting system there is, and the fact that it integrates with all of them through. There's no data missing. They all talk to each other seamlessly. So it just made sense instead of going for someone for a bit of software which did that okay and that okay and that okay.
I would say that with any piece of technology, if it's unable to talk with other technology out there, then it's not going to be very good. Good thing about Deer inventory and Prospect CRM, they talk to each other, so that they're working well. The information that Deer sends to Prospect and what Prospect sends to Deer, it's like a hand in a glove, works really well.
I was seeking a CRM that would integrate with Unleashed. It just seemed to make sense to me not to go for one of those that's purely marketing. And he suggested that we meet with Prospect. We were introduced to Prospect CRM and it was just very, very simple. My advice to any other business that's implementing a CRM when they have an inventory system as well would be to get a system that integrates both inventory and your CRM. It's impossible to make the best use of a CRM unless you have that link with inventory. You don't have the visibility that you need about what your customer's business is, and a marketing-only CRM just doesn't cut it.
I think it's important to trial the products and the platforms that Unleash and Prospect offer as test sites are really good. The system works very well and gives you a really good insight as to how the system works and will work for your business. It was a general Google search, to be honest, and off the back of that, we tested 2 or 3 programs, and Prospect was the most simple, easiest to use, and that was important to us, that everybody could use it quickly, and the system was really intuitive to use. So, yeah.
If I look back to where we were a few years previous, we had various systems that were all independent and they didn't speak to each other. So the fact that we now have an account system, a stock system and a CRM system that all link and talk to each other has made a huge difference.
Implementing Unleashed and Prospect has shown me that you have world-class software systems now available to small business that can enable them to grow into being big businesses and not hampered by the restrictions of not having the budget for a large-scale system.
I definitely recommend Prospect and Unleashed. The platforms are simple, easy to use, and very user-friendly.